Hello little artists, welcome to the Color Splash studio. Today we are going to make something truly special, a handmade card to celebrate our wonderful grandparents on Grandparents' Day. This isn't just any card, it's made with your own handprint and a bunch of 3D hearts, straight from your heart to theirs. So let's get started. Step 1. Gather your supplies. You'll need a plain white art paper, some colored A4 size paper, poster paints any color you love, scissors, glue stick, marker pens or sketch pens, a brush, and of course, your helping hands. Step 2. Make the handprint. Take your white art paper and paint your palm in the poster color you like. Make sure the color is spread evenly and is not too thick. Once you have finished spreading enough paint over your palm, press your hand gently on the center of the white paper. Press, hold, and then lift. Wow! That's your one-of-a-kind handprint, your very own signature touch for this card. Step 3. Once dry, carefully cut around your handprint. Ask an adult for help if you need it. Now take a bright colored A4 paper and fold it in half to make your card base. Stick your handprint on the front of the folded card. Slightly tilt it to one side if you like it. Step 4. Create a bouquet of love. Now it's time to make our 3D hearts. Cut small squares of colored paper. I have taken 5 cm by 5 cm dimension. Fold each square into a triangle. Fold it again. And then one more time till you have a small triangle. Take a scissor, cut out into a semicircle. Now open the flower paper cutout. Further, cut small hearts and shape them accordingly. From each flower, you will get 4 hearts. After you have got your symmetrical hearts, to make them 3D, fold each heart slightly in the middle like a fluttering butterfly. Glue one side of each heart into another. Group 3 hearts together at one time. Now, let's write a wonderful tagline for our card. I have chosen the tagline Bouquet of Love. Now, place your 3D hearts on the card in a way that it'll look like your hand is holding a colorful bouquet of love. With the help of a black marker, draw lines below the hearts, depicting like as if you're holding a bunch in your hand. You can add some more drawings if you like. Maybe some stars, flowers, smiley faces, or just hearts. I chose to draw tiny little hearts all over the card and also write below the hand Happy Grandparents' Day. And here our card is ready. Now it's time to add a few words inside your card. I chose a very heartful message for our grandparents. This is a simple one even you can use. And you're done. You've just created a treasure that your grandparents will surely keep forever. It's not just a card, it's a memory. A warm hug in paper form, straight from your heart. Don't forget to gift it with a big smile and maybe even a real hug. Thanks for crafting with me today. Happy Grandparents' Day to all the amazing nanas, nanis, dadas, dadis, ajis, azobas, grandpas and grandmas out there. See you next time with more colorful creativity.